Hello YouTube, here we are on a mission to feed estranged dogs. Well, he seemed to have to change colors because there was a white dog here. Oh, here in the back he is. My wife is walking to him. And I guess somebody, and you can see he's just bone and flesh. Bone and skin, not flesh. Somebody obviously made a housing for him, and we didn't know that there are two dogs. And this is my wife's new mission, to feed the dogs on the street. We're here at the edge of our town. This is about 6 kilometers from where we live. And yes, this is our part of society, helping animals. And there's another guy coming out of the woods. I don't know what he's doing. Well, anyhow, this is us feeding dogs. Obviously we cannot take them home, as we have 4 dogs and over 20 cats already. And but he doesn't seem to be hungry today. Anyhow, this was a video about us feeding dogs. Thanks for watching and take care, everybody.